Tell me what's inside your heart. We don't wanna start a college party. Tell me if it's all facade. Nowadays it's so easy to believe what you want ain't no reason to perceive. Every phone's a TV selling fairy tales for cheap, and if I climb 100 feet I might fall. Before I jump off, dive in the oasis, a mirage to whatever's in this place, yeah. I accept the reasons and they might be in my head. ChatGPT told me that
Hello, we're from Onomichi, and our plan is we're going to go to a cat alley today. First, we're going to go to the center of town. Then we're going to go to a cafe where we're going to play Go Fish and Nuno. Then we're going to go to dinner. And then after that, we're going to go to the cat alley. And then there's a play that we pass. And maybe if we have time, but if it's over after the cat alley, we may go to it. But if it's over, we're not. We're coming into a building here with lots of markets and stuff. We've been through these a lot. Tomorrow there's going to be a night tour, English. I don't know, maybe another language.
And just write back something.
So how far would it be?
Is it 30K?
30K.
Sorry, you're from?
America.
Ah.
But 30K, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
About 20 miles. Okay.
20 miles.
20 miles. Okay.
To Shinamani.
To Setoda.
Sentoda. Okay, and how far to just to Shinamani Beach?
You mean which one? Sunset Beach or?
No, there was a closer beach, I think.
Oh, I see. This one. Only. Gosh, about 7 or 8 miles.
Oh, so not bad.
Not
so
bad.
we could do that.
You can do it.
Okay,
and,
we just want to do, a little bit.
Yeah, without taking ferry something.
Yeah.
Just over
Okay,
here.
yeah.
But please be careful. You have to cross the bridge.
Okay.
Okay, it's very here.
Okay.
Okay, it's not best steep.
So e-bike sounds good.
And also.
Step into the weekend. I'm stuck inside the sequence. It's like keeping it a secret. It's all I do. It's okay. It's alright. That's what I tell myself. I tell myself it's okay. It's alright. Tell me what you want. Tell me how you really feel. Dancing in the dark. Can you see what's come between us? Dancing in the dark. Want that real love. Want that real love.
Cat Alley. Cat Alley. I don't think I've spoken on this video, and I wish I could have filmed in there, but it was full. There's only like 10 seats. But you enter through this guy's bike garage, and then I really wanted the curry katsu on Google Maps. Looks really delicious, but he was at a curry. But that was a pretty cool restaurant, huh? No? You said it was your 7th best meal. Hayes really liked, I don't even know what that dish is called. Anyway, Cat Alley. I'm so hot and tired. Welcome to Onomichi.
Can you see what's come between us? Dancing in the dark. I want that real love. Want that real love. Step into the weekend. I'm stuck inside the sequence.
You see here, kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and
I've been alone for a long time.
Okay.
Okay.
either the best idea I've ever had or the worst. Only 8:15 a.m., so we'll find out soon. We are here, and where we're going to the beach is, I think, around here. And then we take the ferry back. I really don't know, Hayes. Before I forget, I want to tell you about our biggest travel necessity, and that is, of course, an Olafly eSIM. After this trip, Hayes and I are headed back to Chiang Mai, where I am now, in the future, and if you are, let's say, doing something similar, like traveling to Thailand and Japan in the same trip, Olafly has a solution for that. Their regional eSIMs cover multiple countries, so you're not buying a new eSIM every time you cross a border. And if you really travel a lot, kind of like us, they have Olafly Plans, which is their subscription option. It's one eSIM installation, one flat monthly fee, and it gets you coverage in over 160 destinations. That's it. You just install it once and it stays on your phone. So you're covered through every layover and in every new country, and you don't have to think about it. You're not dealing with swapping eSIMs or roaming fees or geographic limits. You are just connected all the time. And of course, if you're just traveling to one country, Olafly offers eSIMs that you can customize from 1 to 90 days across 200 plus destinations. All this to say, Olafly truly has an option for however you travel. You can use our codes Steph and Pete for 10% off Olafly plans or 5% off a standard eSIM. Ice cream break because it was not even 10 a.m. and everything was closed. So 7-Eleven it is. Bridge 2. Can you give me a 2? Bridge 2. That way? We're just learning some travel lessons that sometimes things you're excited for aren't all that they're hyped up to be, because we didn't see a single cat in Cat Alley, did we?
Nope. Yes, we did.
Oh, we did? Oh yeah, we saw one.
Yeah, we saw one eating food.
A lot of stone cats.
We saw a free cat today, but not in Cat Alley.
Yeah, that's okay, right?
And we actually saw 100 million cats.
We saw everything here is cat themed, but not a lot of real life cats. You know they have islands here full of cats. Maybe that should be our next trip.
Yeah.
You got it all, you got it all, you got it all, and you got me.
One adult round trip. And he's 5. Okay.
I want it all, I want it all, I want it all, oh please, baby.
Hi, we're in a cable car and we went up the cable car, now we're going down. So when we got up, we walk up there and then there was a cat right there, and then we walked down to the temple and then there was this thing where you pulled it and then it went over here and it makes the big boom sound. And the cat's not there anymore, so should we get going?
Is it recording? Is there red in the top corner?
Red.
Yeah.
I said red.
Oh. Okay. What do you want me to say? I've never been this sweaty in my life. Like, look, you know when you try to put a wet bathing suit on? That's what it's like after you go to the bathroom every time. What else? I think most people ride the cable car up and then walk down, and we basically did that, but then decided to walk back up to see the cat, who's no longer there. But now we're going to get to enjoy this view twice. And the cool thing about Japan is that kids under 6.
Wait, what?
The cool thing about Japan is that kids, ooh, there's a big sweat bullet dripping down Hayes' chest. The cool thing about Japan is that
Okay, you're gonna
kids,
that part, right?
yeah, right. Kids under 6 are free, which feels like older than a lot of countries. And Hayes turned 6 in like 6 weeks, so we're really maximizing our value on stuff like this cable car. All right, and back to Hazy.